How to replace a Human Touch Novo Flex rear shroud. You will need a magnetized Phillips head screwdriver to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Use a magnetized Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws that secure the rear shroud to the chair. Lift the rear shroud, then disconnect the small white connector that connects the shroud to the PCB. Remove the shroud from the chair. Now, let's replace it. Note the 2 tabs in each forward-facing corner of the rear shroud and the corresponding slots on the chair. Install the tabs into the slots, reconnect the shroud connector to the corresponding connector on the PCB, then lower the shroud into position. Make sure the edge of the shroud is behind the edge of the power panel. Replace the 2 screws to secure the PCB to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.